Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Instagram. So in order to enable dark mode on Instagram, it's quite easy, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do it over on your iPhone and how you can do it on your Android. So I'm going to start off with how you can enable dark mode on Instagram over on your Android device, and after that I will show you how you can do it on an iPhone because it's actually quite different. So the first thing you need to do in order to enable dark mode on Android is simply opening Instagram. Once you've done that, go to the bottom right corner of your screen at the profile icon, just like this. And once you've done that, go to the top right corner of your screen at the burger icon, basically just like this. Once you've done that, click on settings and privacy and then scroll down till you find accessibility right here. And then on Android, you will see a dark mode button or feature basically where you can simply enable dark mode once you're at this page. Now you will already notice that on the iPhone there's just no feature for this. I'm just going to say it right away. There's no actual way in order to enable dark mode on Instagram without using settings on your iPhone. However, in order to actually enable dark mode on Instagram, it's really easy for iPhone as well. Just head over to settings like this. And what we then actually need to do is simply head over to display and brightness just like this, and then you can change it to dark just like this. And the second you've done that, Instagram will also get into dark mode. The problem is right now that when you do that, your entire phone is in dark mode, and maybe you don't want that, maybe you only want Instagram. However, unfortunately, there's just straight up no way in order to do it on an iPhone within the app, for example. So yeah, that's all you need to do basically. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.